Do you know that there's a set time for your breakthrough? That God has a set date for your breakthrough. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, I will not miss you, God, my set time. Yes, Holy Ghost, I will not miss my set time. Grab somebody by the hand and talk to them right now. Grab somebody, help them out, and say, neighbor, don't miss your set time of favor. Come on, look at another neighbor and say, neighbor, August is your set month. Come on, tell them August, this August, not next year August, but this August is your set month. Prophesy to them, prophesy now. Say, neighbor, this set month is your month of breakthrough. I feel like prophesying right now. Can I have some prophets with me right now? Find a neighbor again and speak the word in that neighbor's life. Say, neighbor, this month is your month for breakthrough. Those who have possessed your gates, God is giving you power to take back your gates, take back your premises, take back your location. For years they have taken your gates. They took it from your grandfather, they took it from your father, but you are the Gideon that God is raising up for this time and season. Revival is written on your forehead. Can I talk to somebody right now? Come on, lift your hand and say, I came to do business. I don't come to play. I don't come to joke. I come to do business. I come for the gate. Is there anybody who came for the gate? You flew in for the gate. You come to join with some people who are hungry as though you are hungry. They are thirsty as though you are thirsty. We are in this thing together. We are tired of poverty. We are tired of hell. We are tired of the sickness. We are tired of the pain. We are tired of the demonic oppression. This must go.